Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Form D Lectures. Today we are going to see about the pathophysiology of the coronavirus, especially the viral cycle involved in the pathophysiology of coronavirus. Before we are going to see this, we should know about some basics in the coronavirus. What is meant by COVID and SARS? SARS is nothing but severe acute respiratory syndrome. It caused by coronavirus. The COVID-19 also caused by coronavirus as well as the SARS also caused by the coronavirus. The SARS is especially caused by SARS coronavirus and the COVID-19 is caused by SARS coronavirus 2. Now we will see about the pathophysiology, especially the viral cycle present in the coronavirus. Before we are seeing this, we should know about the some basics of coronavirus, the basic structures. Here is the basic structure of coronavirus. In this, there are four components are majorly present. The first one is spike, and the another one is membrane, the third one is envelope, and the final one is nucleocapsid. This is the spike which is present the outer wall of the coronavirus, and the membrane and the envelope are the present in the outer surface, and the nucleocapsid present in the inside the cell. This is the basic structure of the coronavirus. In the spikes, there are two major subunits are present. These subunits are S1 and S2. Subunit 1 and subunit 2. What is the actual role of this subunit? The S1 is bind to the host receptors, which are nothing but the healthy receptors bound in our body. What is the S2 functions? The function is fusion of viral and cell membrane. Viral and healthy cell membrane. The fusion of viral and healthy cell membrane. This is the actual role of the subunit 2. Now see what happens in the viral cycle. There are five major steps involved in the viral cycle. First one is attachment, second one is penetration, third one is biosynthesis, fourth one is maturation, and the final one is release. In the attachment, the virus binds to the host receptors. Once it binded, in the penetration process, it enters into the cells. It enters into the host cells by means of endocytosis. Endocytosis means the transport of constituent from the outer surface to the inner surface of the cell. Exocytosis means the transport of constituents from the cell to the outer surface of the cell. Here, the virus is entered into the cell by means of endocytosis. The next one is biosynthesis. In the biosynthesis, the viral content released into the host cells. The viral content released into the host cells, and thereby viral replication takes place by means of viral RNA entering into the nucleus, by which viral protein is made there. This is the process. The main thing is angiotensin converting enzyme 2, which is the functional receptor found in lungs, arteries, heart, kidneys, and intestine. It is a major and play a crucial role in the pulmonary system. It expresses in the pulmonary epithelial cells. The virus cells once replicated in the body, it binds with the host proteins. The virus cells are nothing but SARS coronavirus 2, which is bind with the host proteins. It undergoes protease cleavage. This happens through two processes. One is priming and the another one is activation. The priming happens between S1 and S2. The subunit 1 and subunit 2. The next one is activation. It takes place in the S2 side. What happens in the initial stage means it creates a stability between S1 and S2. What happens in the activation stage means it activates the spike protein. Once it binded, it starts the protease cleavage and it stable the subunits, and the final thing is it activates the spike protein. What happens after? After the activation of spike protein, post-membrane fusion happens. Post-membrane fusion happens. Through this, the virus entering into the pulmonary alveolar epithelial cells. After they enter, the viral content released inside, thereby the transcription process and the translation process once again happens, through which rapid multiplication of viral cells present in our host. Through this, nucleocapsids are newly formed and it moves to the extracellular space and it invades all the adjacent epithelial cells, which are nothing but the healthier cells. The viral cells are going to destroy the healthy cells. This happens in the viral cycle of the coronavirus. Okay guys, today we are seeing about the pathophysiology of viral cycle. In our next lecture, what happens after the viral cycle completes, what are the symptoms made by this coronavirus, what it actually happens in the upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. This and all we'll see about in the next lectures. Okay guys, thank you so much for your support. Do subscribe and share maximum as much as possible. Thank you so much.